I'll cut off there. I'm too slow. I only get 10 minutes of video. So, yeah, like I said before, we rearrange this. So we just join in thinking this is 5b. I've actually done 5b in the last video and I got cut off up to here. So this is where we got to. So inverse of sine for -1 is just saying, well, where is sine -1? It's at 270. And now I can just rearrange that formula. So I'll take away 30.96. So I'll do 270, take away 30.96. So then t is going to be equal to 239.04. And kind of an interesting one, this, because yeah, usually we're used to having several answers, aren't we? But in this case, there is only one, absolute minimum for this. So yeah, it's only one answer. Usually we would obviously have our two answers. So I very nearly finished that question, but timed out. So let's just have a look at our marking scheme. So tragically, just 1 mark for this and 1 mark for that. They didn't really think much of that question, did they? Usually there's a wee bit more available for these, but oh well. So yeah, that's your max and min, and all you're doing is putting your max and min into y to then rearrange it just the way you would do for a very standard, 2 equals 3 sine, whatever, x plus 10 or whatever. We have been doing them for a while. In fact, even easier, just forget the x plus 10 because that comes at the end. It's just like 3 sine x or whatever. Okay, so dividing by this term, inverse sine, and then you're looking at your cast diagram and solving. In this case, they need a cast diagram because there is only one value. We use the cast diagram because usually there's 2 corresponding values. So yeah, question 5. Hope that was helpful. Sorry that video ran on.